Hey everyone, so I'm finishing up this side of the rear brakes. Got a new drum. I've already done the other side. Oh, here's the old brakes from the passenger side. There's the adjuster that won't adjust, won't come off of that shoe. There's a new drum, it's got new components. Oh, let's go for this. So I can definitely say that the hardest part about this was right here, this dude, because that doesn't anchor into the shoe. That's held in by this spring, and it comes down here to the adjuster, or the adjuster anchor, whatever it is. I don't know what the name of it is. Doesn't matter. So you got to route that cable up over that fulcrum into that anchor spot. That's a booger. But that's really the only issues I had. All right, that's the shoes from the driver's side. And you can see the adjuster is stuck to that shoe and it doesn't move either. So I'm guessing whoever did these brakes didn't put the right adjuster kit on the right side and the left adjuster kit on the left side. They switched them, thus making the adjusters inoperable. Right. So when I tell you these are stuck on there, they're stuck on there. Shouldn't have to do that. Yeah. Well, good parts now. And now to test it. Alright, that's way better than it was last week. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. Oh, come on. Oh, you. Well, I think it's time for a test drive. Maybe backing up a few times in some circles, left and right, whatever, get them brakes to adjust, and we'll go from there. I am back from a successful test drive. Park brake works, so now it'll pass inspection. That's the whole reason I did this. Anyway, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, and if you haven't, subscribe. I do appreciate it. I will see you later.